Are you ready? Are you ready to start making $50,000 to $100,000 a year? Are you ready for that? Well, if you're ready, like I always say, this is real life. And in real life, I'm about to show you how to start making $50,000 to $100,000 as a mobile notary signing agent. Let's get right into it. Mobile notary signing agent. And if you stay to the end, I have a great platform for you to start your journey and start making up to $100,000 a year or more. It's up to you. So just stay to the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Let's get into it. The first step to becoming a mobile notary signing agent is you have to become a notary. To become a notary, you have to go to nationalnotary.org. Now, once you get there, you're going to go to become a notary in your state. Pick your state. And I've made this video before, but it wasn't as clear. So we're going to go ahead and upgrade this video, that last video. So go to become a notary in your state. Choose the standard notary if that's what you like. This is what I did. It was $97. Click that one. You're going to go ahead and get access to that information. Study, take the exam, pass it. We're on to the next step. Step 2, wait for your commission number. That is the number that you need in order to sign up to become a notary signing agent. So wait a couple of days. I want to say mine took 2 or 3. I cannot honestly remember. I know it wasn't like no 2 or 3 weeks for sure. So give it some time. I would give it about 5 business days just because of everything going on, okay? Once you get that commission number, you are able to go to step 3. Step 3 is become a signing agent and start getting this money, okay? Once you get that commission number, you want to go back to nationalnotary.org, okay? Once you get there, you're going to go to become a signing agent, okay? Once you get there, go to NSA certification. Go to the middle one. That's $189.99. Go ahead and click that, purchase that, and then you'll be able to have access to the signing agent course. Once you do that, you'll be able to study. I think it takes about 5 hours. Then you go ahead, you take the exam, you pass the exam, and now you're officially a signing agent. Once you do that, okay, once you become your signing agent, let's go ahead and go to step 4. You ready for step 4? Step 4 is something that you need, and a lot of people are very unaware of this. You need insurance. You need to have insurance because people can sue you if you mess up and you have an error. And coincidentally, is that the word? Got it. It's errors and omission insurance. I got $25K. It's up to you. But typically, title companies prefer signing agents that have $25K or more of coverage, period. Mine was $135. That's what I got because that's what I was told to get. So I got it. You go ahead and get it too. You might as well, right? The more, the better. This is just like life insurance. If something happens, your family is able to bury you, pay your bills. Maybe you got enough to put your kid through college. I know I did. So this errors and omission is basically to cover your ass. Okay? Got it. Let's go home. Let's go on to step 5. So we got step 4, right? We got our errors and omissions, right? Okay. So let's go ahead to step 5. Get a laser printer. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the supplies that I started off with. This is just me, okay? Me only. Laser printer. I got Brother brand. I was told to get Brother because it's the bomb. Okay? Now, I have had issues with Brother as far as them trying, because I have a warranty, and them not trying to fix my dual tray, which pissed me off, but it's still a good printer. I got two of their printers, a single tray and a dual tray, and they're both laser printers. They do the job. I don't like the single tray, but it's getting the job done, okay? So that was $99. So if you want the single tray, it's $99. I honestly don't see. I feel like you should start off with the single tray because you'll have 2. You can start off with that one, make a couple grand, get you another one, and you'll have 2 you'll have 1 extra for backup. So if you want to go ahead and just go all the way in like I did and got the dual tray, the dual tray for me personally was $279. Now both of these are available on Amazon to purchase. You can also go on brother.com, and I'm not sure if they have any sales or anything, but I know on Amazon it was super cheap. And on top of that, if you don't have all the funds, you can use QuadPay or Klarna. That is one of those apps that you can use to break up the payments into 4 different payments. So say, for example, it was $100. It will be broken up into 4 payments. So 25, 25, 25, 25. And then you can still get the purchase. You can still get the printer. You just pay bi-weekly, I want to say. So if you don't have the funds. I didn't do that for my printer only because I got my stimulus. That's what I did. I invested my stimulus. So anyways, once you do that, go ahead and get you some legal paper, get you some letter paper, go ahead and get you some black and some blue pens that are, from the Dollar Tree, because you're going to have to give these pens away. So you don't want to invest in these top of the line gel pens that are $50 or something like that, because you're going to give them away because of COVID. And it just makes people feel better and feel like you're taking the initiative to stop the spread of COVID-19. Okay, so I always go to Dollar Tree, stock up. Sometimes Walmart has a good deal too. I'm not spending no more than $1.50 on pens. That's just me personally, because I'm giving them away, literally throwing money away. Although you can write it off regardless. In the present, I'm giving money away. So yeah. And then some companies prefer blue, some prefer black. So you might as well have both, so you are prepared. You don't have to worry about last minute things. Also, go ahead and get you, because you are a beginner, go ahead and get you some notepads that have the arrows. These notepads are like, or you can even get regular notepads from Dollar Tree, cut them up into 3 and just put them where you need to sign. But it just looks more professional, in my personal opinion, if you have the arrows. So I definitely still use those, because there are certain things that I forget just as a human being that I know. Like I'll get to the mortgage? I'll get to the mortgage, and sometimes some companies have initials at the bottom. Sometimes they don't. When they do, I put the arrow just so that they know that there are initials at the bottom, for my own sake, because I have messed up and missed initials, and for the the borrowers, so that they can be one and done with me. So definitely is a great investment to go ahead and do that. Also you want to get you some file folders, get you some legal file folders, and get you some letter file folders, basically the long ones and the short ones, because some companies prefer you to use legal paper, some companies prefer you to use letter paper, and some of them, when you use your dual tray, some papers will be legal, some will be letter, and it just looks better to have a legal length folder if you have legal paper. What was this, last week? I definitely ran out of legal folders, and you can get those anywhere. You can get all this stuff at Walmart, but I had ran out. All I had was letter, so they look real tacky, and I was like, I am so sorry, this is not me, you know what I'm saying? Gross. But anyway, so, and then the last thing that I got was a notary bag. Now, it doesn't have to specifically be a freaking notary bag. It could just be a briefcase or some sort of professional bag that you can carry legal documents in. You can even go as far as getting a lock on it if it's that serious to you. Go for it, sis. But I just have like a nice cute little kind of like a tote bag or something, which just broke, so now I have to get a new one. But in the meantime, I just have like I think I have like a briefcase or something that I had in the closet, so that's what I'm using. But I like to have my documents in something just because I feel like it looks more professional, and I like to be able to have my stamp in there, because I've been stamping along the way. I used to just wait till after I was done with them. Like I just let them sign and I go home and stamp, but then I realized that was too many trips. So I started to just take my time, stamp while I'm there. Gives me time to be very thorough and look through everything to just triple check. And I like that way better for myself. And then after that, I can just go straight to FedEx and I can be done. Unless I have to scan then, you know, I'll go ahead and go to the library, because I have not invested yet in a scanner, which I need to. I've been procrastinating, okay? So, now you can go ahead and purchase a scanner if you want to. I definitely would suggest, if you have the funds, go for it, because it'll make your life easier. But if not, the library allows you to scan the email, and I'm not sure about fax, but scan to email, which most companies do, for free. So however you want to do it, go for it. And if you have like a what I noticed, if I had like a debt consolidation, I just use my phone. So I just scan using my notes. You can go to scan, and then I just send it that way, whatever. So since you stayed to the end, I greatly appreciate you for staying to the end. So I wanted to give you a platform to get started. So once you complete all these steps, I'm proud of you. You got it. Congratulations. Now go ahead and go to SnapDocs. SnapDocs is a signing platform that allows you to put a profile on there, right? And you can upload all your information and show that you've been NNA certified, that you have errors and omission insurance, and that you are SnapDocs verified. So once you complete all those tasks, you'll be SnapDoc verified, and that'll mean that thousands of title companies will reach out to you, and you'll give you, not free money, give you money. I mean, give you work. Whoops. Give you work. So basically give you money. So that's a platform that you can start on, and it's awesome. I would definitely say, before all of that, before you take your first signing, I would definitely say an additional piece of information I would like to give you. I would say, I personally didn't do this. It was only because my mom taught me the game. But I would say take some training classes. That's another investment. I'm not sure how much that is, because I did not do one. It's never too late though. I've been thinking about it, but you know, I'm about a year in almost, maybe 10 months or 9 months. I don't know, but I'm pretty confident and comfortable with the documents and everything. But it never hurts to invest in yourself, your business, and learn. You know what I'm saying? So I think everybody has room for improvement. So before you take that first signing, if you're not confident, if you don't have any type of experience dealing with this type of work, then I would say just take a training course. And if you don't have the funds for that, I completely understand, sis. Go ahead and go onto YouTube and watch people do loan signings. They'll even break down the documents. I even mention multiple times in my comments on my videos the order that has worked for me, and makes the signing, which is a refi, super smooth. Okay, so that has been my becoming a notary once again, because the last time I did it was super raggedy. So we upgraded. All right. So if you have any questions or anything, feel free to reach out. I always try to respond to everybody's comments. I'd greatly appreciate all my subscribers, everybody that watches, even if you don't like it. You know, I'm just trying to help the next person become successful and make 100K or more. It's possible, definitely. And you don't have to work like a dog slave. You know, like I said, I've made $840 in 2 days, probably working 4 hours, 6 hours, nothing more than 8 hours, like, period. And that's just the after work. You know what I'm saying? Scanning back, stamping, all that additional stuff. But that's 2 days. So, you know, I made $340 in a day. Actually, I made that last Wednesday. So, you know, it's possible. The money is there. You could easily see $2,000 a week. You know what I'm saying? So just do it. Okay? It's definitely a great investment. I know it's a lot of upfront costs, but it's so freaking worth it. All right? Thanks so much for watching. Good night.